Hello, boys. It is me, Orca the King, and I see you guys here with another high-level Halo Wars commentary on this channel. This time I'm playing with Youngberg Muckings versus Isaac Ghost ROP in Delirium, and you guys know what it is. What time it is? It is time for the best unit in the game. It is time for an elephant. And I'm playing Color versus Forge, but they also have two Arbitrons. This is not a perfect scenario, but it is a good scenario at least to play with my favorite unit, the Marines, baby. Yep, exactly. That's what we're gonna do. This is exactly what we're gonna do here. And we start up with another elephant. The classic double elephant defense build. We created. Exactly. No, we go on offense? Interesting. Okay, let's go on offense. Seems like I don't even know what's going on in this game. Let's just go with the flow. Who needs defense? Like, defense is overrated. You want to make it quick. Why would ever considering playing defense if you want to win the game fast? Exactly. Gonna send the first up. And it seems like we're gonna send the second up as well. This actually could have hurted quite well if those guys going double O and gonna cheese a base out with 5.5 Suis on a single copy base. But this is not what they are built like. They are built like they needed some really bad turrets here. Both of them. Or one of them? I think both of them. Exactly, and we're gonna stack Marines in front of copy bases. That's what we like to do. Exactly. Exactly. Yep. Red is on offense, but seems like Red also built a turret. But also, we could also say like Red killed a heavy pet, which is actually the best move in his entire team right now. Yeah. Doesn't seem like Yellow is building Hawks, which is ideal for us. Now I'm gonna help my brute here, saying, bro, no worries, I got you, no worries. The other guys are saying, okay, some bear elephants building on a ramp, you gotta kill them. But mate, I don't have quite any pets soon. How I'm gonna kill two elephants? Oh, now you got a red Barbie, I can tell you that, my friend. And not even the Hawks can defend us here because I'm helping my Marines. And seems like Yellow was going Hawks. But Black is also still on Yellow's base. And seems like Red is still on our base. Yeah, exactly. My blue buddy here already lost 2 pads. Just not good for us. But you guys see the UNSC is also on 2 pads. Debombed us and not the brute, which is having like 4 brutes on the base. I would say this is ideal for us. I mean, Yellow tried to make a move because the red army was saying, I don't need a recall for that bullshit. I don't need to recall that. And now we have two bases dying. Two bases at the same time. After 8 minutes or something like that. We're gonna love that. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was actually quite one of the most fun games I've ever played. Yeah, perfect. Worked out pretty well. So they're resigning. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you also have a great weekend. And what I also hope is that I see you guys in the next week to another video on my channel. Bye bye.